Do you mind, Ma'am Mystica? You are known in the whole country. Do you mind to do that? Just for 1 hour lang. Okay. Kumayang siya the manager or Mystica to have, we have a Santa Cruz, in Santa Cruz, in Santa Cruz, in Santa Cruz. Just no sponsors para para walang dynamics tong programa na to. Pwede?
Nakaparang ako ito.
Okay. So we will start na our Santa Cruzan, Vera, and Ria Rivera. Nasaan po yung aming dalawang kabataan ito na sasagala din? Dito lang sa harap. Ikot lang po sila dito. Kasi maliit lang yung ating minalaw sa atin na mairapa yung ating mga damit. Where's Ria and Rachel? Ikot ka lang dyan.
Wala ng video, saka picture, ha?
Video and photograph.
Talag ba yung naka-blue, yun,
Si Ruth. That is Rachel and Ria. And then Ruth is following Ruth. This is blue. And Mimosa. The junior Mimosa.
Siniki ka po. Siniki ka po.
Mickey, asaan si Mickey?
Baka yung naka-blue gown. Ayun. Blue gown.
Can we request you to show us your beautiful gown and your beautiful crown? We like you looking like a princess and a queen. Thank you very much for participating.
So pwede naman sa isang
yung mga ating leader na sumuha sa Medium Pinoy. Ayan. Ayan, Halima Marali. Oh, baliktad ang ikot, baliktad. Dito.
I just wanted to say everybody that it's really nice to be here today, this afternoon, but unfortunately there is a call coming from my boss, and since there was a little misunderstanding here, so I'm sorry, I have to pull myself out from there. Gusto ko pong mag-Reyna Elena, pero of course meron pong nagpadala sa akin dito, and I have the responsibility to erase placenta, my sponsor po. But since there was a misunderstanding na hindi naman po pala pwede na i-ano ko po ano ini-endorse ko, just a matter lang naman po na so medyo sila po ang nag-decide, okay? Endorse lang po ako. So, I'm sorry. I love you all, but I have to pull myself out. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yan na. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the beautiful princess. Tita Cora.
Our Agent Pinoy from Makati, Cora Singh.
Thank you. I'd like to show you that you can follow rules. Thank only. So we would like the committee papa.
Exacto, ito dito sa amin. Alam na dyan. Okay lang. Here comes the princess. At least naranasan ko. It was a really pleasant.
Spotlight.
She's not feeling very well. She wants to be here to be with us.
Napili ko.
Pero nakakarap. Yan ang tunay na.
Ayun.
Na mami yan.
Ikaw, Dora.
Next is
Dito, dito.
That's what you call a graceful exit, okay? Because they have to do, I also have my own role, okay? Hindi pwede na sila na lang ang manilin mo. So it has to be given. Sometimes for me, sila lang natin. Hindi naman po maganda yung pinagbiyak nila sa akin. So, of course, diba? Eh, gusto ba nila akong tumampa? For what? Diba? For what? Saan nawala ba? Okay, sana. Alright, this is a really fantastic day for me. With a graceful style. Mga kaibigan, ang nangyari po ay isang bagay na ang pinigilan ko lang dito ay isang prinsipyo. Kasi ang usapan po namin, pupunta ko dito, and of course, with the sponsorship of the Race Placenta, tapos later on, sabi nila, hindi daw pwede. So, ang sa akin lang naman po, kung meron po silang rule, which is 10%, and I also have a responsibility for the Race Placenta. So, give and take lang po lang. Sure. But since they didn't really understand, and that's the reason why I didn't have any choice to really walk out from the place, okay? Kasi, minsan hindi naman po pwede na sila na lang. Remember, I came here, wala po yung bayad ko. But since gumastos pa ako ng 12,000 for the job. Wow, diba? Wow, 7,000 sa lang ko. Okay. Alright, to all my friends and relatives and to all my fans on Facebook, gumastos pa ako ng 12,000 for the job para lang po out sa isang sakay. Na maging rate ko nila. And since ang sakay na, yung sarili ko kasi hindi pwede na pumunta sila kailangan dito, ang sakay na ay meron yung sarili at sarili power. So, I just exercise my power. I just exercise my principle. And since my principle will work, then I have exit. And, of course, and I don't regret of whatever I've done because I would regret even more if I didn't and sila yung panalo at ako ang power. Ang princess. Lalo-lalo ako ay